जिन्होंने भी ज्वाइन कर लिया है, कैन यू प्लीज टाइप योर नेम इन द चैट बॉक्स? यस. Hello. You can type in a chat box, okay? Yes. Okay, then, okay. So, hello, bachcho. So, this is Srishti. This is Srishti Pandit. I am your EVS teacher, and today I am going to start with the chapter called Teeth and Digestive System. Uh, Whoever joining, can you please type your name in the chat box so that I can understand you are there with me? Hello. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes, then we will start, okay? Hello, hello, someone new. Uh, Good evening, okay? Okay, then let's wait for another 1 minutes, then we will start, okay? So today we are going to learn about the teeth and the digestive system. What are the four types of the teeth we have? Okay? Okay. Okay, then let's start. Okay. So yeah. So today's our chapter is our teeth and the digestive system. Okay. So what are teeth? The first question is what are teeth? You are using it, right? You are using it in your day to day life. You are using your teeth, right? Yes. Yeah, I can see yes. So yes. So teeth help us to bite anything, to chew anything, and grind your food. Okay. Why we need teeth? So that we can take a bite of the tasty food, right? We can chew that food, we can grind that food, okay, and then we swallow that food, and that goes to your stomach, and you will feel that your stomach is very full, okay. So yes, teeth help us to bite, chew, and grind food, okay. Chewing means what? So chewing means it breaks down the food into a smaller pieces, okay. If you have a big pizza, you don't eat na, you don't eat the whole pizza at one time, right? You have to take a bite of that pizza because it is very big. Then you have to chew that pizza, you have to take a taste of that in your mouth, right? That's why you are chewing means you are breaking that food, okay, into a smaller pieces, and then you swallow that food, okay, and after swallow it goes to your stomach, and after stomach, what it happens, it digests your food, okay. So this is a something a teeth, okay, and something a chewing means, okay. If you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box whatever you have doubt. I am looking to your chats too, okay. And I hope you can answer me because we are going to see the questions at the last, okay. So respond accordingly, okay. Then now let's come to the types of the teeth, okay, and their functions, okay. We have four types of teeth. First, incisive. Incisors means the teeth, the front teeth, okay, which you are using to bite anything. Okay, then there is kinesis, which tear that food. Tear the food means this front teeth is incisors. Then there is kinesis, means beside that teeth. Okay, here, if you want to take any bite, you like tear that like this. Okay, if you are eating some hard food, so let's, okay, so today is Makar Sankranti. Yes. So you are eating tilgud, correct? Tilgud. Then you have to take a bite of that. So it is very hard. So you have to use your kinesis to tear that food. Okay. That's the use of the kinesis. Okay. Then there is premolars, means you have to crush and grind the food. Here, the teeth, which is here, which you are using to crush the food or grind the food to make it very small, small, small part. Okay. And take a taste of that. Then there is molars, which is very like here, and here from this teeth you can able to grind the food properly. Okay. These are the four types of the teeth and their functions. Okay. The incisors, canines, premolars, then molars. Okay, you have to remember like this, like this. Okay. And each type of tooth has a special job to help us to chew food properly. Okay, every teeth, okay, every type of teeth has a special job. What? To chew a food. Okay, that's the main function of the teeth. You have to chew the food. Okay, to take a taste of that, so that after chewing, that food goes to your stomach. And chewing is the very important thing for a digestive system. Okay, we are going to see that. Hi, hi. Can you type your name, whoever joining right now, so I can see? Okay. Okay, so these are the types of the teeth and their function. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Otherwise, we will move forward. Okay. I'm waiting for your replies. Okay, I can see no doubts. Very good. Okay, so then moving forward. So now there are um, there are two types of teeth, or you can say in your lifetime there is two sets of teeth. Okay, first, when you born, and you are baby, so you have milk teeth. Okay, that is 20 teeth in total. Okay. And after you become 6, जब आपका 6 साल हो जाएगा, तब वो teeth गिरने लग जाते हैं. Okay, start to fall out around age 6. Okay, I think I can say that your teeth is also falling, right? Or not? Yes. Hi Samanvita, hi, hi. So your teeth is also falling, right? You have milk teeth right now, or your all the teeth are falled? Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Then after that 20 teeth, which is 20 in total, which start falling at the around the 6, after you get another teeth, which is second set of teeth, which you can say adult teeth, means बड़े होने के बाद वाला teeth, which is used for eating all types of food. Okay, milk teeth, which is your baby teeth, is basically for only eating a soft food. But now when you have the adult teeth, you can use that teeth to eat a hard food too. Okay, or any type of food. Okay. And there is 32 teeth in total. When there is a permanent teeth in your mouth, then there is 32 teeth in total. And when there is milk teeth in your mouth when you are baby, that means you have 20 teeth in total. Okay. And permanent teeth always last last for life. Okay, it is always with you up to your up to your life. Okay. Okay, one or two has fallen. I can see your text. Okay, so these are the sets of the teeth. Milk teeth, which is a baby teeth, then permanent teeth, which is a adult teeth. Okay, milk teeth is 20 teeth in total, and permanent teeth is 32 teeth in total. Okay. Yes, milk teeth is also called temporary teeth. Yes, correct. Okay, so these are the sets of the teeth. I hope you all understood. So we can move forward. Okay, okay. Okay, then moving forward. Now, how you can take care of your teeth? Okay, how you can take care of teeth? You have to brush twice daily. Okay, you have to brush your teeth morning at night. Okay, with toothpaste. You have to use toothpaste, and you have to brush your teeth at the morning too or at the night too. Okay. Then avoid too many sweets. Do not eat lots of sweets, like chocolates or snacks, something. So avoid eating too many snacks. It will give you cavity. It will give you, आपका दांत खराब हो जाएगा, है ना? फिर आपको डॉक्टर के पास जाना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो इसके लिए आपको अवॉइड करना है स्वीट्स खाना. देन rinse after meals. Okay, जब आप खाना खा रहे हो, okay, when you are eating food, then after eating a food you have to rinse your mouth. Means you have to wash your mouth. Okay, you have to take a water in your mouth and raise in your mouth and then throw it. Okay, so it will remove all the food particles which is in your teeth, so that you can this is how you can care your teeth. Okay. Then uh, at the last, visit dentist. Okay, dentist means whoever the doctor of teeth, called as dentist. Okay, and visit dentist regularly for checkup to check your teeth is healthy or not. Okay, this is how you can take care of your teeth. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, then now we are done with the part called teeth. Okay, now we are moving forward to what is digestion. Okay, we are going to look what is digestion. Do you know what is digestion? Yes. So let me tell you. Okay, let me give you hint. Okay, when you eat something, it will goes to your stomach. Okay, you feel hungry, then you eat, then your stomach will get full. But what happened with that food? Okay, so that is something, a process where that food breaking down, means your teeth able to do the breaking down of the food. Okay, you are chewing, right? Means the food gets smaller particles, then it will goes to your stomach. Then after stomach, it will goes it after stomach it will goes large intestine and a small intestine. We are going to see that what is it is. Just wait. Then after the main particles of the food, like there is protein, carbohydrates, that will goes to the body use. Okay, whatever the body needs that. Okay, food, why we need food? For energy, right? So that food goes to our body, and there is some extra waste which goes out from our body. This is something a digestion. Yes, correct. Process by which food is um, sorry process in which food is broken down into a simple particles called digestion. Okay. Yes, so correct. So this is something a digestion. So here you can see in the slide that what it is saying, that digestion is the process of breaking down food into a simple substance that our body can use. Okay, this is something a digestion means. Okay, means the process where you are breaking the food using your teeth, then it goes it food into a simple substance, it becomes some simple substance which are very useful to our body. And why we eat food? To get an energy, okay, to do any work. Okay, you are playing, you are walking, you are moving, everything needs energy. Okay, so where we are getting energy? From food. Okay, so this is something a food is useful to us. Okay, and this process is called an digestion. Okay, so here you can see in the image that it is showing that food, it's broken down, then it becomes some simple substance, and that simple substance is useful to our body. Okay, this is something a digestion called. Okay, now for digestion there are lots of organs are very useful for that. Okay, before that, do you all know what is organs? Yes, do you all know what is organs? You can type in a chat box. Okay, I'm waiting. Yes, okay, I can see the text that she knows what is. Okay, so organs, let me tell you again. Okay, what is organs? So organs is the is organs is present inside our body which is helpful to do things. Okay, it depends, it is a digestive system or it is something like, even our eyes is a organ because we can able to see that, right? It is a sense organs. So yeah, so organs which is present in inside our body, or uh, even you inside our body, that is something a organ which helps you to do things like you are even I am moving my hand, that is because of the brain. Okay, so brain is a organ, so that is something an organ. So now we are looking what is digestion. Okay, you understood what is digestion. It is a process to broken down the food into a simple substance, and that simple substance is useful to our body. Okay, but for whole this process there is some organs present, okay, which is helping helping this process to work. So first is your mouth. Okay, mouth where your teeth is present, and that teeth helps you to chew the food. Okay, whatever you are eating, breaking down that food and mixes it with saliva. Okay, you have saliva in your mouth, right? Yes or no? You have or not? Yes. So that food mixes with saliva. Then that food goes down to your stomach, but it is going down to some pipe. Okay, that pipe is called food pipe, or more, it is called an esophagus. Okay, esophagus, which is present here. Okay, in your neck area. Okay, food pipe, what it does, it takes your food from your mouth and can carries that food up to your stomach. ओके, फूड आपके माउथ से लेता है और वो स्टमक तक लेके जाता है, ठीक है। फिर स्टमक क्या करता है, उसमें डाइजेस्टिव जूस डालता है, ठीक है, बहुत सारा जूस होता है, तो वो जूस डालता है ताकि वो फूड फूड का जो वो जूस क्यों डालता है, ठीक है, व्हाट इज दैट जूस, तो वो जूस इसके लिए डालता है ताकि उसमें से जो भी न्यूट्रिशन है, जो भी तुम्हारा प्रोटीन है, जो तुम्हारे बॉडी के लिए यूज है, वो अलग अलग हो पाए, ठीक है। फिर वो जाता है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, ठीक है, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में जाएगा आपके बॉडी में। स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में क्या होगा कि ना उसमें जितना भी अभी फूड को अलग कर, फूड स्टमक क्या कर दिया, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम मिला के, डाइजेस्टिव जूस मिला के उसमें से जो भी प्रोटीन है, जो भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, जो भी न्यूट्रिशन है, वो सब अलग कर दिया है। अब वो जाएगा स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में आपके। स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में क्या होगा कि ना उसमें से अब जो भी प्रोटीन न्यूट्रिशन अलग किया हुआ है, वो सब वो ऑब्जर्व कर लेगा, ऑब्जर्व मतलब अपने बॉडी में ले लेगा, और फिर वो बॉडी में यूज करेगा उसका, ठीक है। हमें चाहिए ना, हमें फूड क्यों खाते हैं, हमें न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए उससे, राइट। तो वो न्यूट्रिशन क्या करेगा, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन अपने में ऑब्जर्व कर लेगा। फिर उसमें बहुत सारा चीज वेस्ट होगा, वो वेस्ट चला जाता है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में, ठीक है, जो वेस्ट रहता है वो चला जाता है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन में। और फिर लास्ट पार्ट होता है तुम्हारा एनस। एनस से तुम्हारा वेस्ट बॉडी से निकल जाता है, ओके। So this is all the organs which helps for a digestive system. Mouth, which is helps to chew your food, then food pipe, which carries the food from your mouth to your stomach, then stomach, what stomach do, stomach mixes the digestive juice, then after that it goes to the small intestine. What small intestine do, it absorb all the nutrition, all the proteins from the food, and whatever the waste is there, that goes to the large intestine. Then after, from the anus, it will remove from your body whatever the waste is there, okay. Understood? Yes or no? Esophagus, yes, food pipe is called esophagus. Understood? Yes or no? Yes. So this is the something, this all are the organs which is helpful for digestive system. Now here I wrote one line. What is it is saying? See, the digestive system breaks down food so our body can use it for energy and growth. Okay, this is a very simple. If you want to understand why we are eating food, to get energy, and why we need energy, to do work. Even I am moving because I am using my energy, right? And growth, okay, to grow fast fast fast. That is why we need a digestive system, so that we can absorb all the nutrition from the food, and we grow very fastly. And even that energy, whatever the energy we get from that food. Yes, I can see. Understood everyone? Okay. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can type in the chat box. No doubts. Okay. I can see lots of people saying that no doubts. Okay, then. Moving forward. Now, this is the functions of digestive system which I already teach you. So, see what it is doing, how it is moving. So, from mouth, what mouth is doing, chewing food and mixes it with saliva. then from the food pipe it carries the food from your mouth to your stomach, then stomach mixes the food with digestive juice, then small intestine, then stomach, from stomach the food goes to the small intestine. And what small intestine do? Small intestine absorb all the nutrition, all the proteins. Okay, then that all, then whatever the waste are there in the food, that goes to the large intestine. Okay, and it observe what large intestine do. Large intestine observe water, if there is any water present in that food, and whatever the things are present which is waste, which is not needed to the body, that will remove from the anus. Okay, waste products from the body removed by the anus. This is the process I already told you. So these are the functions of the digestive system which I already told you earlier in the previous slide, but here you can see. So this is how food travels. Okay, and every food, every organs have their own role or their own function. Okay. Okay, if you have any doubt you can type in the chat box, otherwise we will move forward to the questions. Okay, we are done with the part what is teeth, and we learned what is digestive system, how digestive system work. Okay, no doubt, I can see everyone replying that no doubt. Okay, okay. Okay, then moving forward to the question, you have to answer it in a chat box. Okay, so yes, your first question is teeth help us to dash food. You can type in the chat box. Teeth help us to chew. Okay, teeth help us to chew food. Correct. Your next question is the teeth used for cutting food are called. Which teeth is used for cutting the food? Let me give you hint. Okay. Okay, I get answer. The front teeth. Okay, which helps you to cutting the food, and the front teeth is called incisors. Correct. Correct. So your next question is the process of breaking food is called. The process of breaking food is called. Yes, digestion is the correct answer. The process of breaking food is called digestion. Okay. Your next question is digestion. Yes, digestion is correct. Everyone is correct. Your next question is the stomach mixes food with dash juice. Stomach mix the food with which juice? Yes. Don't know. I told you right earlier that what is the use of the stomach where your food is storing is helps you to mix the food with anybody else. Can you please answer if you know? Okay, don't know. The stomach mixes the food with digestive juice. I already told you here. Okay, what stomach do? Stomach mixes the food with the digestive juice. Okay, so your answer will be the stomach mixes the food with digestive juice. Your answer will be digestive. Okay, understood? Yes or no? Okay, okay. Now, your next question is the small intestine absorb dash from food. Small intestine absorb what food? What from the food? So there is two organ. Okay, some is one is a small intestine, and then second is the large intestine. So small intestine absorb what? All the important things from your food. What are that? No, juices is not a correct answer. No, no. Small intestine absorb what from food? I think you didn't understood all the functions. I think I have to explain again. Yes, you understood or not? Okay. Let me explain again. Okay. So here, what are the function of the all the organs? Okay, mouth, you know, it chewes the food and it mixes it with saliva. Okay, then there is something a food pipe which is esophagus, which carries the food from your mouth to your stomach. Okay, then what stomach do? Stomach mixes the food with digestive juice. Okay, you have to remember this. Digestive juice, stomach क्या करेगा? Food को digestive juice के साथ mix करेगा. Then there is something a small intestine. स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन क्या करेगा? तुम्हारा जो भी फूड है उसमें से जो भी न्यूट्रिशन है, मतलब जो काम की चीज है जो बॉडी को चाहिए, वो सब एब्जॉर्व कर लेगा. ओके, देन वो पास होगा लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन के पास. और लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन क्या करेगा? जो भी वेस्ट है उसमें से वाटर ले लेगा, अब्जॉर्व कर लेगा और सारा वेस्ट को एनस के पास भेज देगा. एनस क्या करेगा? वो सारा वेस्ट अपने बॉडी से निकाल देगा. ओके, सो ये सारा फंक्शन है माउथ का. फूड को चीव करना, फूड पाइप का माउथ से स्टमक तक फूड को लेके जाना, स्टमक में डाइजेस्टिव जूस और फूड को मिक्स करना, देन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में ऑब्जर्व न्यूट्रिशन. वो क्या करेगा? न्यूट्रिशन जो कि बॉडी के लिए हेल्पफुल है उसे एब्जॉर्व कर लेगा. फिर लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन क्या करेगा? जो वेस्ट है उसमें से वाटर एब्जॉर्ब करके सारा वेस्ट को एनस के पास भेज देगा. एनस क्या करेगा? वो वेस्ट को निकाल देगा हमारे बॉडी से. ओके, आई होप नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड कि फंक्शंस क्या है सारे ऑर्गन्स का, कौन सा ऑर्गन्स है. ओके, सो इफ आई आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन, द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ऑब्जर्व डैश फ्रॉम फूड. Yes, I can see nutrition is the correct answer. So nutrition, it absorb nutrition from the food. Okay, then moving forward, Now you have to tell me the true and the false. Okay. Now your first question is, molars help in cutting food. True or false? Molars help in cutting food. Molars teeth, which is a type of the teeth which help you to cut the food. Yes, false is the correct answer. Then your next question is, milk teeth are permanent teeth. Milk teeth is permanent teeth which stays with you your lifetime. Okay, I can see the answer false. False is the correct answer. Okay. Your next question is, digestion starts in the mouth. Digestion starts with in your mouth. True or false? Yes. Yes, true is the correct answer. Then your next question is, large intestine absorbs nutrition. Large intestine nutrition absorb करता है. Yes, large intestine absorbs nutrition. Yes, false. False is the correct answer. Okay. Your next question is, brushing teeth keeps them healthy. Brushing teeth keeps them healthy. Yes, true is the correct answer. Brushing teeth keeps them healthy. Correct. Okay. Now moving forward to more questions. So now you have to tell me MCQs. Okay. Which teeth are used for tearing food? Incisors, canines, molars, or premolars? A, B, C, D. Which teeth are used for tearing food? I am waiting for your replies. A is not a correct answer. A is something incisors is used to bite the food. Okay, to bite. And tearing, kinesis, which is present here, which is helpful to tear the food. If you want to break any food, you have to tear it, right? So that kinesis is useful for that. So B is the correct answer. Whoever answered A is not an correct answer. Okay. So B is the correct answer. Yeah. So your next question is, how many teeth do we have? 32, 20, 16, 28. How many teeth do we have? A, 32. What about others? How many two teeth do we have? A. A is the correct answer. 32 is the correct answer. Now I want to add one more question. Why somebody answered B? B is not a correct answer. Okay, now I want to ask you one more question. B is not a correct answer. 20. Oh, wait. Yes. Sorry. Sorry, I didn't saw how many milk teeth do we have. 20 is the correct answer. Okay, B is the correct answer. Sorry. My bad. I can see somebody replied B. B is the very correct answer. So sorry for that. I mistakenly read wrong question. Yeah. How many milk teeth do we have? We have 20 milk teeth. B is the correct answer. Okay. So sorry for the question. I just read wrong. Okay. Moving forward to another question. Where does digestion begin? From mouth, from small intestine, from food, or from food pipe, or from mouth? Where does digestion begins? कहाँ से हमारा digestion start होता है? From stomach, from your small intestine, from your mouth, or from your food pipe? Yes, I am looking for your replies. Okay, I can see somebody replied D. What about others? Can you please tell me where does digestion begin? Okay. Okay, so D is not a correct answer. Mouth is the place where you started, right? First you're achieving that food, right? So mouth is the organ where the digestion begin. Then it goes to your food pipe, then it goes to your stomach, then small intestine, then your large intestine, then anus. From anus it will remove whatever the waste is there. So where does the digestion begin? Then your answer will be mouth. C. Okay, not D. Okay, yes or no? Yes or no? Where does the digestion begins? From your mouth, not from your stomach, small intestine, or the food pipe. I can see from mouth. Okay. Now your next question is where? Oh, it is the same question. So sorry for that. Where does the digestion begin? I already told you from mouth. Yeah. Okay. Then moving forward, you have to answer in a short that your first question is name any two types of teeth and their functions. Okay, you have I am changing this question and you have to tell me name all the four types of the teeth. First, you have to tell me all the four types of the teeth which I taught you. Okay. For this answer, okay. I can see that everyone able gets difficulty to type in a chat box because it is a little long answer. I'm waiting for 1 minute. Otherwise, I will tell you. Okay. Incisors. Yes, incisors, canines, premolar, molar is the correct answer. And if you want to tell the function of that, then you have to go to this slide and write incisors helps to cut and bite the food, canines helps to tear the food, premolars crush and grind food, and molars grind food properly. Okay, so this is the function. Okay, all the four types of the teeth and their function. Okay, so this question is completed. Now next, what is digestion? Somebody already answered earlier. It is a process to break down the food, right? Something like that, break down the food to a substance. I am waiting for your reply. What is digestion? So you can answer me in a chat box. Too long. Okay. Okay then. I'm telling you. Okay. So yeah. Here you can see in this slide, digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food into a simple substance that our body can use. This is something a digestion. Okay. Now tell me, why should we brush our teeth daily? Why we should have to brush our teeth daily? Do you know? Why should we brush our teeth daily? Why should we brush our teeth daily? To keep them clean and healthy? Yes. We want our teeth should be healthy, right? So that we can eat properly. So, why should we brush our teeth daily? To keep them clean and healthy. Okay. To keep them clean and Healthy. Okay. Yes, I can see reply that to clean and take care of our teeth, that's why we brush our teeth daily. Correct, very correct answer. Now, your next question is name the organs of the digestive system. There are total five, not five, there are total six. Okay, six organs. I want name of all the six organs. Can you please type? Mouth, yes. Mouth. Esophagus, which is something a food pipe. Both are the same thing. Then stomach, correct. Then large intestine, yes. Then yes, yes. Small intestine and last, from where the food waste get removed from our body. Yes, anus. So these are the organs of the digestive system. I hope you didn't forget about anus. Anus is the place where all the waste from your body removed. Okay. So this is all the question, all the answers of all the questions. Yes, we are done. So thank you. And if you have any doubt, you can type in a chat box. I am waiting for another 1 minute. So if you have any doubt, you can tell me. Otherwise, we will end this class. Okay. Yes. Do you have any doubt? Okay. I can see no doubt. Then okay, then we will end this class. Okay. I hope you understood everything, and thank you so much for joining the class. So this is how the class will going on. If you want to learn more, you have to enroll in our 1 week Aram courses and learn more with Heyyguru. Okay. So okay then. Bye. Good night. Take care.